Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A low-cost outdoor kitchen design is all about maximizing functionality and style while minimizing the financial investment. It focuses on using affordable, durable materials and clever DIY solutions to create a space where you can cook, dine, and entertain outdoors. Instead of high-end custom masonry and professional-grade stainless steel suites that cost tens of thousands, a low-cost approach utilizes creative alternatives like repurposed wood, prefabricated grill islands, or even simple stone pavers. The meaning behind this design philosophy is accessibility. It's the idea that a luxury lifestyle and the joy of al fresco dining shouldn't be reserved only for those with a massive renovation budget. It is a strategic blend of smart shopping and hands-on creativity. Having a low-cost outdoor kitchen offers numerous benefits that extend far beyond just saving money up front. First and foremost, it significantly increases the usable square footage of your home, effectively adding a new room for entertaining during the warmer months. By choosing a budget-friendly path, you also reduce the financial stress and long-term debt often associated with major home improvements, allowing you to enjoy your steak and grilled veggies without worrying about the bill. Furthermore, these designs are often easier to maintain and can be updated or expanded over time as your needs change. An affordable outdoor kitchen also encourages healthier eating habits by making grilling and fresh air dining more convenient, all while boosting your property's overall appeal and resale value through thoughtful, functional landscaping. To make a low-cost outdoor kitchen look like a high-end designer space, you need to focus on cohesive textures and intentional lighting. Start by choosing a color palette that complements your home's exterior. Neutral tones like charcoal, warm cedar, or slate gray provide a sophisticated backdrop. Use affordable decorative elements like outdoor rugs to define the kitchen zone and add a pop of pattern. Incorporating greenery is another secret weapon for budget designs. Potted herbs not only look beautiful and smell amazing but are also functional for your cooking. Lighting is perhaps the most important factor. Stringing Edison bulbs across the area or installing solar-powered LED puck lights under the counters can create a high-end bistro ambience at night. Finally, use stylish but inexpensive hardware, like matte black handles or unique hooks for your grilling tools, to add those finishing touches that scream luxury. When selecting items for an affordable outdoor kitchen, prioritize versatility and weather resistance. A high-quality, standalone charcoal or gas grill is the heart of the setup, and you can often find great deals on floor models or during end-of-season sales. Instead of custom cabinets, consider using weather-treated wooden crates or modular metal shelving units that can be spray-painted for a custom look. For the countertop, smooth concrete pavers or reclaimed wood sealed with marine-grade varnish are excellent, low-cost alternatives to granite. Don't forget a durable outdoor sink if plumbing is an option. Even a simple cold water hookup can make cleanup much easier. Other must-have budget items include a large patio umbrella for shade, comfortable bar stools, and a rolling prep cart that can double as a bar when guests arrive. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear the compilation of the top 10 best low-cost outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the rustic pergola pizza station. This design features a beautiful dark-stained wooden pergola that provides shade and a sense of enclosure. The focus is on a traditional wood-fired pizza oven built into a simple wooden counter, accompanied by a long dining table with cozy cushions. It's a perfect example of using wood as a primary material to create an inviting Mediterranean-style cooking nook. 2. Stone-clad DIY barbecue island. Using stacked stone or faux stone veneers is a fantastic way to get a high-end look on a budget. This design showcases a central grill built into a rugged stone base with simple concrete countertops. The surrounding lush greenery and gravel floor keep costs down while making the space feel like a private garden retreat. 3. Covered modern farmhouse kitchen. For those who want protection from the elements, this design features a permanent roof with a finished ceiling. It utilizes a stone-textured base for the grill and a built-in fireplace, topped with a wall-mounted TV. The combination of warmth from the fire and the durability of the stone makes it a year-round entertainment hub. 4. Sleek minimalist prep station. This idea focuses on clean lines and modern aesthetics. A simple light-colored stone base is accented by a horizontal wood slat backsplash featuring integrated lighting. It's a compact, efficient setup that works perfectly for smaller patios, proving that you don't need a lot of space to have a stylish kitchen. 5. The wood storage wonder. Function meets form in this long linear kitchen. It features a simple white concrete frame with open shelving underneath to store firewood. A big green egg-style grill sits at the center, surrounded by plenty of counter space for prep work. The open-air design is airy and feels very integrated with the natural backyard landscape. 6. Cornerstone luxury grill. This L-shaped kitchen maximizes a corner space using stacked stone and polished granite look counters. It includes integrated stainless steel drawers for storage, which can be found at discount home centers. The surrounding tropical plants and paved flooring give it an exotic upscale vacation vibe. 7. Industrial gray modernity. This design uses dark charcoal or gray cabinetry for a very contemporary look. It includes a built-in grill, a small beverage fridge, and an integrated outdoor fireplace. The use of a glass and metal awning provides a modern architectural touch while protecting the chef from light rain. 8. The bright all-white pavilion. If you have an existing covered deck, painting the ceiling and beams white can completely transform the space. This design uses a long stainless steel grill station against a white shiplap wall, paired with a light wood dining set. It feels bright, clean, and incredibly spacious, perfect for summer brunching. 9. Vertical wood slat deck kitchen. This is a great DIY option for those with a wooden deck. The grill and prep area are wrapped in the same wood as the deck and privacy fence, creating a seamless, built-in appearance. The staggered heights of the counters add visual interest and provide specific zones for cooking and serving. 10. The ultimate L-shaped entertainment hub. Combining a wooden pergola for shade with a clean, white stuccoed L-shaped base, this kitchen has it all. It features a grill, a pizza oven, and a raised bar area with stools. The brick-patterned floor adds a classic touch, making this the go-to spot for family gatherings and weekend parties. Creating an outdoor kitchen doesn't have to be a project that drains your savings. As we've seen today, with a bit of planning, some creative material choices, and a focus on the essentials, you can build a stunning and functional cooking space right in your backyard. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of wood or the sleek look of modern stone, the key is to make the space your own and ensure it fits your lifestyle. If you enjoyed these low-cost outdoor kitchen ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more budget-friendly home inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a transformation. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.